Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine. In first lesson we read about the evergreens. The evergreens are the trees that never lose their leaves throughout the year. In this lesson we read about a pretty bird. She had beautiful wings but she was proud. One day she dashed against a chimney and broke a wing. With broken wing, she hopped from tree to tree for shelter, but in vain. At last, the fir, the juniper trees, gave her shelter. That's why they are called the evergreens. So, our today work is dictation words and words meaning. First of all, write date and day on the top of the page. Unit number 1, topic the evergreens, dictation words. Pretty, Pretty, pretty. Wing, Wings, wings. Ugly, Ugly, ugly. Shelter, Shelter, shelter. Forest, Forest. Now words meaning proud, fakhr, proud, fakhr, simple, simple, sada, shelter, shelter, pnaga, icy, icy, barf strange, strange, ajeeb. Okay, student, this was our today work. Now learn these dictation word and verb meaning and then write them 2 times on your binder. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.